Hey everybody in YouTube land. I am still kind of getting settled in the new house. The house is settled, but we had to put flooring in the attic, and then we've got to move the stuff from the garage to the attic. And then I can put paintings in the garage, and then I can get my YouTube area and studio area upstairs together. So I have not been able to do many pouring videos here lately, and I do have some paint mixed up because I had a class the other day, and I plan on, maybe filming one or two in the regular part of my house, but I do want to get my studio squared away upstairs where I can paint my heart out. Meanwhile, I have the tutorial platform on Thinkific. It's called Embrace Your Creative Spirit, and I've uploaded, 10 or 12 paintings so far. I do 2 a month. And I just finished my latest tutorial, which was a blast. And I am hoping you'll check it out if you would like to learn how to paint traditionally with acrylics. The class is $35. You have a lifetime access to it. You can bring your friends over or your family over to your home, and you can all paint together and have a little paint party right in your own house. So how fun is that? How simple. You don't even have to leave your house to have a paint party. So here is the painting. It's called Cactus Fiesta, and I just had a blast painting this. I provide a traceable, which looks like this. You just print it out on your copier and you transfer it to a canvas. This is a 9x12, or you can do it on an 8x10, which is smaller. And I take you through each step of the painting. From the beginning to the end. You don't have to have any experience painting. That's the joy of it. And it is a blast. It's so much fun, and I give you the freedom to, add funky colors. It's not supposed to be realistic looking. It's supposed to just be fun and relaxing, and you're not trying to make it look realistic or photographic or anything like that. It's just a fun painting. I thought this would be kind of neat to do as the winter months are, kind of starting in and it's getting cold. This just gives you that warm, cozy, happy feeling. So I think the next 2 that I do, one will be a Christmas related painting, and maybe I'm thinking about doing an angel painting because I think so many people love angels. So that's coming up. I do one every 2 weeks, so I will be posting every time I do a new tutorial. So this is not in my YouTube area, which are the free videos, mostly acrylic pouring, but I do fast speed videos and that kind of thing. And I do those for free, and I will continue to do those for you because I love painting and it's my passion. But I do want to share my knowledge with people because I've painted for 20 years. I want people that are wanting to learn how to paint to have a chance to learn and just do it at home, or if they can't get out of their home to, because of children or disabilities or whatever, then they can still do it in the comfort of their home. So I just want to give them an opportunity, an opportunity to learn how to paint with acrylics. It's really kind of simple, and I show you step by step how to do it. So check out this tutorial. I'll put the link below the video. So just click on that and it'll take you straight over to this class. Again, it's $35 and you have lifetime access to it. So thank you so much. And I miss doing the acrylic pours for you. I will be doing some in the future. So be looking for them. And I love you all. Hugs to everybody. Take care. Have a great Thanksgiving too. Bye-bye.